Alright guys, today we're going to be checking out the TacPak Gold Christmas box. Let's get right into it. Alright, we got the extra freebie that came with the gold standard box. Put that aside for later. And okay, first things first, we have a Justice 2 full reflex sight, 1x30 red dot. This right here is Walker's Fire Max digital earmuffs. Then we have the PowerTac M5 Gen 3. And if I can get it out. We have the GPS Tactical Quad Pistol Case. SOG. Where's my... SOG axe of some kind. Oh, this is the SOG Warfighter axe. And AR buffer tube. Oh, this came up. A Battle Arms mil spec 6 position AR buffer tube. That one was that. And a model SCAR. Some stickers. Let's check out the Christmas freebie that came with this kit. There it is in here. And we have MFT Evolve muzzle device, MFT Extreme Duty mag coupler, and Camillus knife sharpener, and another sticker. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.